and run client successfully. So our app is running in the localhost 3000. Let me see. Oops, yeah, 250 or yeah, 200. That's fine. And let me close this one. We have the app, so we have login and register. So let me see if we go into, let me see, login. Yeah, that's it. And then register. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we can just go to slash and it's gonna get us to the dashboard. Okay, so now we are gonna close this one as well. We are in the source. We are inside of the, yeah, we're inside of the source, and we're gonna create a new folder. Okay, so this folder is gonna be components. Okay, so it's gonna be, let me see, components, like that. And inside of the folder components, we're gonna have our headers. Well, I mean header that JSX, like that. Okay, so we're gonna have this file, this JSX file, and now it's gonna be RFCE. So we're gonna create this one, and now we are okay. So we can leave it like that, imported from React. And let me see, we are gonna set some icons. Let me see, we need to go into the front end, and we're gonna open a new terminal. I mean, you can just grab it here from PowerShell, get bash. If you have it installed, you can use the command prompt, and make sure that you are in the front end. So right now we are in the full stack, so I'm gonna go into the front end. So right now, and we're gonna install npm install react icons in the front end. Okay, so we can go into the package.json, and this package.json is from the front end. It's different from this one that is from the back end. So if we go into the front end, the package.json of the front end, we have the React router down, and now we have the React icon. So that's fine. We can just close it, and let me see. Now we're gonna import. So we're gonna import the icons that we want, and let me see, it's gonna be from the library. And let me see, fa, or let me bring it first, and it's gonna be from, and it's gonna, let me see, from, and it's gonna be React, yeah, React icons. And okay, so these are the different libraries. We're gonna use the fa, that is the font awesome. And let me see if I can do it now. So let me see, it's gonna be fa sign. So it's gonna be fa let me see, fa sign. Well, you can, yeah, this one I want fa sign or font awesome sign. And well, fa sign, let me see, sign, and also I want this one. I want fa yeah, sign out. So let me see, yeah, this one, sign out alt. And now finally we're gonna bring in the fa user. So let me see, oops, we have that fa, let me see, fa user. So let me see, yeah, we have it, fa user. Okay, so we're gonna bring those icons, and let me see, let's also, we're gonna import also some links, and we're gonna, let me see, we're gonna have, yeah, this link, and it's gonna be from the It's gonna be from the React router down. So make sure that if you go into the package.json into the front end, we have the React router down installed. If you don't have it, just go into the front end, not the root but the front end. So you are in the front end like this, and then npm install, and then you should install React router down if you don't have it. Okay, so let's continue. Let's close this one. Yeah, just link, and make sure that this link, the first letter is capital L. Okay, and this one is gonna be a header like that. So this one should also be a header. Okay, yeah, just like that. Let me see. Yeah, this is the dashboard. We're gonna delete that one, and let me see. Here we're gonna have a div. Okay, we're gonna have a div, and you can start working with your CSS. If you can, you can have some creativity for your CSS, but we're just gonna keep it simple for just the functionality of the React. And here we're gonna use the link. So we're gonna use the link. Let me close it like that. Let me just delete this one. So we are gonna go, and it's gonna say to. Let me see. Yeah, it's gonna say to, like that. Single quotes slash or forward slash. Okay. Yeah, like that. And yeah, we can, yeah, this is gonna be link. Let me see. Yeah, we can close this one, and we can just name it bikes. Okay, so we can just name it, let me see, bikes. What else? For now we can just leave it like that. Bikes of my dreams, like that, of my dream. Or you can change it later, whatever name you wanna use it. Okay, so we can save it. So now we are gonna have here another list. Okay, and in this another list, if the user is logged in, we want to see the user and register. Okay, and here we're gonna create the login, the icon. So here is gonna appear the icon from the login, and also the icon from the register. Okay, so and here we're gonna have our list item like that. And yeah, I can, let me see, move a little bit. 1 2 3, like that. 1 2 3. Okay, so here we're gonna have another link. So it's gonna be like that, link, and here is gonna be to single quotes forward slash, and this one is gonna be to slash login. Okay, so slash login. What else? So let me see, here we're gonna have 1 2 3. Here is where we are gonna fa sign and alt. Okay, forward slash, and just close it. And here we can put in login, like that, login. Okay, so we have this list item. So we have this list item. Let me see. What we are gonna do is we're gonna copy and paste it. Okay, here instead of login, it's just gonna be register. And let me see. This one should be sign. No, not sign out. This should be just user, not Uber, but user. Okay, so we have link to register, and it's gonna be FA user, and here register. Okay, so make sure that this link to /login, it has to be lowercase l, and this one as well lowercase r, register. So whatever is inside of this single quote, so for example single quotes /login, lowercase letters, this one single quotes /register, and this one you can just use whatever you want, uppercase, lowercase for login and register. Okay, so we are also I think I deleted, but we are gonna need also the FA sign out alt, and we put a comma here. That's fine. Save it. Yeah, that's fine. We can go out, and now we can go into the app, and here all the way in the tab of before the dash login register, we're gonna import, and we're gonna import the header. So we're gonna import the header, and it's gonna be from double quote, well, single quotes /components/ and it's gonna be the header. Okay, so now we are using the ES6, so as a rule we cannot have anything inside of this route. So this header that we want to put in, it has to be outside of the routes but inside of the router. So for example, I'm gonna put it right here, that is inside of the router but outside of the route. So, and it's gonna be like that, and it's gonna be header / like that. We can save it, and let me see. So yeah, everything looks fine. So let's go. Yeah, as you can see right now, I have my best bike, so that is localhost 3000. We have this is our dashboard, but we have the login and the register. So login, I am in the login thanks to the link, and if I go to a register, I am in the register link. Okay, my best bikes localhost 3000.